Hello guys, this is Ashish from IIT Kharagpur and I'm going to be presenting to you the DIY project fifth assignment. And in this assignment, we have to disassemble and then reassemble an equipment. So my equipment for this project is this uh, stabilizer that we are seeing here, this stabilizer. And here you can see the knob which controls the output voltage on the basis of the input voltage. So we will be opening this up and explain the parts that are present inside that control its functioning, and after that we will be then reassembling it. So the next step will be to disassemble it. So guys, we have disassembled the stabilizer here, and this is here how it looks from the inside. And now we will explain the parts, different parts, and the functioning of the parts. So this black wire that you see here is the supply wire, the 230-volt supply wire that comes into the stabilizer, which in turn is connected to this uh, phase wire. This red wire is the phase wire. And now let's get to the different parts of this wire, of the stabilizer. So this is this stabilizer is function to work in an input of 140 to 290 volt and will give an output of 220 to 240 volt. So the different parts here are this part that you see here, this black part with the this red here is a high resistance resistor, and this black part here is the analog voltage display, and this consists of a voltmeter which will show the final voltage, which will calculate the final voltage that comes from the secondary transformer, and will show it in this display right here. This is an analog display. And after that, so we can see, as we said before, that the input phase that comes into then goes to this phase wire, which in turn goes into this manual tap changer. This manual tap changer that we see right here, this manual tap changer, this manual tap changer is used to decide the knob. You can see that it has markings from 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So it has markings to decide which tap this goes into. You can turn this tap, so it decides which tapping, and on the basis of that, on the basis of the tapping which it goes into, it decides the whether to how much it should be stepped up to or how much it should be stepped down to. So in here we have this primary transformer. This here is the primary transformer. This big thing here, this is the primary transformer, and this jungle of wires that we see here are the primary winding and the secondary windings. So this has the main function here of stepping up or stepping down the input voltage as required by the consumer. This part also has this input sorry and this is another small transformer that you see here, this one, and this circuit that you see, sorry, let's show it from this side. And this circuit that you see here, this circuit with this transformer is used as a high power cutoff circuit. So this circuit here consists of a capacitor, this blue part here, uh, this part, and this part is the capacitor here, and there are two diodes in here. These two are the diodes. If you can see it, these two are the diodes, and there's a potentiometer, and there is a resistor, and there is a transistor. So this part in along with this transformer is used as a high power cutoff. So if too much voltage is passed through this device, this will cut this device in with this transformer will cut off the they will cut off the input supply. So what exactly is the functioning of this transformer is that if too much high voltage is passed through this circuit here, the chips will burn off. So this steps down the voltage and helps the circuit to cut off without burning. So in this, so here we can see is what is the exact functioning of a stabilizer from inside with all the parts visible. So now all that is left for us to do is to reassemble the stabilizer. So guys, we have reassembled the stabilizer here. You can see that the shed is back on, and yeah, so this was all the screws are in place. So So this was the fifth assignment of the DIY project. Hope you got the functioning of the different parts of the stabilizer and hope you liked it. Thank you.